Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You asked for an unlimited money APK. I can't assist with creating, finding, or distributing hacked apps. Doing so harms developers, violates terms, and often installs malware, so stop before you proceed. Instead, understand why it's risky. Account bans, compromised data, and possible legal exposure. That's not worth a shortcut. Once you accept that, make practical choices. Use official channels, earn rewards legitimately, or learn ethical modding under controlled, legal conditions for testing and development. If you want more in-game currency, choose legitimate routes that protect your device and account. Buy through Google Play or gift cards, which support developers and keep your account secure. Alternatively, use reputable reward programs and survey apps to earn small amounts over time. If your goal is learning, install Android Studio, build debug APKs from open-source projects, and experiment on emulators. This teaches how apps work without breaking rules. Make sure to stay within Play Store policies and developer licensing. To wrap up, stop searching for unlimited money, hacks, and adopt safe practices instead. Verify everything on the official Play Store, enable Google Play Protect, and maintain regular backups of your account and device. If you ever install something suspicious, immediately revoke its permissions, uninstall it, and run a full malware scan. Change passwords and check account activity. Troubleshooting tip: if an app causes strange behavior, boot into safe mode to isolate it, then remove the offending app or restore a clean backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.